Welcome to a new season of the Diecast Racing Truck Series here at Daytona. Let's get you started for tonight's starting lineup. Row 1, two-time Truck Series champion Ben Rhodes, starting on pole, and Grant Enfinger to his outside, still looking for that elusive first. Row 2, Rajah Caruth, new number, new sponsor, and to his outside, last year's Rookie of the Year, Matt Mills. Row 3, Ty Majeski, and rookie Caden Honeycutt, one of the many rookies in the field. Row 4, two rookies, Andres Perez and Gio Ruggiero. Row 5, two returning faces, Stuart Friesen and the oldest truck driver in the field, Matt Crafton. Row 6, Chandler Smith, who was in the Xfinity Series last year, now moves down to the Truck Series with Front Row Motorsports as a rookie. And Jordan Anderson to his outside, returning for another season. Row 7, Corey Heim, now in the 51, and driving his old truck, Tony Breidinger, a rookie, the only lady in the field. Row 8, returning Jake Garcia and Lane Riggs, now in the 34, as Front Row Motorsports expands to two trucks. Row 9, former Xfinity Series champ Daniel Hemrick now comes to the Truck Series with a new team, McNally Hilgeman Racing, and tries to win Rookie of the Year and the championship with a returning Tyler Ankrum. And last but not least, in Row 10, with a new team, Rev Racing, rookie Dawson Sutton. So here we go, 15 laps. Stage 1 ends at lap 5. Stage 2 ends at lap 10, and Stage 3 obviously ends at lap 15. A new Truck Series season begins now. We're green at Daytona in 2025. Trouble already! Chandler Smith and Rajah Caruth go around. Caution on, we didn't even make it through the first lap before an incident. Chandler Smith saves it. Rajah Caruth is backwards. Caution's out already. Grant Enfinger leads lap 1. And the caution comes out after Chandler Smith and Rajah Caruth both spin off of turn 4 and make an incredible save. I think Chandler tried to come down in front of Rajah. I think they both got loose, and then Chandler lost it, and so did Rajah, and they both spun to the inside. Great saves for both of them as they both missed the wall. So we're going to restart on lap 4. As this is the biggest the Truck Series field has ever been. We have about 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. Wait, let me count again. Shit. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 19 trucks down in the field. The biggest this has ever been. Man, this is going to be a fun year. Here we go, lap 4. Enfinger, Mills, lead the field back to green. Hey, we're green at Daytona. Lane Riggs immediately dives to the inside. All the way to the outside is Dawson Sutton, the rookie, as Enfinger leads the field going into turn 1. side by side for the lead. Dawson Sutton on the outside. Then the 40 of Matt Mills to the inside. Mills dives out in front. Here comes Grant Enfinger with a huge shove. Grant Enfinger's up there, pushed by Jake Garcia. The 23 goes back to the lead. Now Enfinger gets shuffled out. Jake Garcia to the front. Final lap of the stage. Jake Garcia to the lead. Now here comes his ThorSport teammate, Ty Majeski, all the way to the lead. With the 3 of Jordan Anderson and last year's champion, Ben Rhodes. Lane Riggs is clear on the outside line as well. He's in 4th as we head down the back straightaway now. Here comes the outside line and the middle line. Side by side for the lead. Garcia, Mills. Here comes Majeski. Trying to win the stage. Majeski out in front. Mills gets shuffled out. Rhodes gets shuffled out. Riggs gets shuffled out. To the line. Jake Garcia wins stage 1. Followed by a couple of rookies. Gio Ruggiero gets 2nd. Dawson Sutton 3rd. 4th is Tony Breidinger. How about that? Daniel Hemrick in 5th. All the rookies making a name for themselves. Anderson 6th. Majeski 7th. Chandler Smith in 8th. Matt Mills 9th. And Andres Perez comes home in 10th. How about that? All the rookies, besides one, were in the top 10. Youth movement coming to the front early. How about that? It's a party of youth. All the way in the front. Well, might be a night that somebody never forgets. We might get a first-time winner here at Daytona. And remember now that this is not for a playoff spot. These are full season points. This season has changed the precedent. This is a full season points championship for every single series, the Truck, Xfinity, and Cup Series. So a win doesn't automatically lock you into the playoffs to fight for a championship. You have to be consistent for the entire season. And I honestly like that change. It puts more emphasis on the whole season instead of just the postseason. So stage 1 is won by Jake Garcia. Then rookie Gio Ruggiero in 2nd, followed by another rookie, Dawson Sutton, and then Tony Breidinger, the lady rookie. Then former Xfinity champ Daniel Hemrick, another rookie. Then Jordan Anderson, a veteran. Ty Majeski, a sophomore. Chandler Smith, another rookie. Matt Mills, a sophomore. And rounding out the top 10 is, you guessed it, another rookie, Andres Perez. So here we go. Lap 6 of 15. Garcia, Ruggiero. We're back underway. Oh, Gio. Gio dives to the inside. That forces Dawson Sutton into the way bottom line, and Jake Garcia immediately goes to the outside line to grab the lead. But instead, he's not out in front just yet, as Gio Ruggiero and Dawson Sutton are challenging, and Gio goes to the lead. At least for now, he couldn't clear up. Shifted here as everyone that left, everybody left the outside line to try and get some momentum, and it doesn't work out for Andres Perez. He gets shuffled to the back. Jake Garcia to the lead. Here comes Ruggiero. Here comes Mills to push. Now Gio Ruggiero to the front. Followed by Daniel Hemrick. Gio to the lead. We begin lap 7. Ben Rhodes drops, as well as Andres Perez. Daniel Hemrick, side by side for the lead. Now here comes Ankrum on the inside. The 24 of Ankrum to the front on lap 8. It's been a hard time for championship contender Rajah Caruth last year. Last year's championship contender Rajah Caruth, as everyone leaves the third line. There goes the 24. It's going to be a side-by-side battle between two rookies, the 17 and the 35. Unless Andres Perez has something to say about that. He'll drop. Here comes Ankrum again. Lap 9. Ankrum trying to clear up in front of Hemrick. No go as Mills drops to the inside. That's in the back. All behind Gio Ruggiero. Trying to be another rookie to win his first ever start. Ones that come to mind are Haley Deegan. She won her first ever start. Last lap of the stage this time. Gio Ruggiero, followed by Jake Garcia and Tony Brodinger. 3 rookies leading the way. Last lap of the stage. Lane Riggs gets shuffled out, as well as Caden Honeycutt. The top 5 are single file. Matt Crafton and Grant Enfinger are coming to the front. 2 of the veterans. I also see Rajah Caruth, so he's starting to recover. Corey Heim, Stuart Freeze, and Ben Rhodes. Everyone's dropping, and there they go. There they go. Rajah Caruth is in it. As soon as I said something about him, man. Oh, hard into the wall for Rajah and Ben Rhodes. Corey Heim involved, as well as Stuart Friesen. They wreck to the inside. That'll be the caution. Caution's out. Tyler Ankrum is the leader. And he'll win stage 2. Oh, man. Unfortunate scenes for 4 big-name drivers. Stuart Friesen, Corey Heim, Ben Rhodes, and Rajah Caruth. That is very unfortunate for all 4 of them. 4 drivers who were in the Truck Series last year, one of them being the defending champ and another fighting for the championship in the last race at Phoenix. Oh, that does not help their start to this new campaign at all. So, with the caution coming out on lap number 10, Tyler Ankrum will win the stage. Let's see who else got stage points, as it looks like it's Tyler Ankrum, who's not a rookie. He's just returning to the Truck Series after a year or 2 off. Not sure how many years it's been since Ankrum's been in the Truck Series. It's been a few years, or it's been a year at least. Daniel Hemrick got second. Then Gio Ruggiero and Dawson Sutton, the rookies. Jordan Anderson got 5th. Jake Garcia 6th, 2 returning faces, as well as Matt Mills, who got 7th. Rookie Chandler Smith 8th. Rookie Tony Brodinger 9th. And Ty Majeski got 10th. So 24, 35, 17 to 3, 13, I think. That's Jake Garcia. Yeah. Yeah, that's Jake. Matt Mills, Chandler Smith, and then Tony, and Majeski. So let's see, how many trucks we got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 trucks. So 19th and last, I believe, was Stuart Friesen, if I'm not mistaken. It was. Very unfortunate for him. He's had bad luck in that 16 truck. Corey Heim, new truck, same results to last year. He's 18th. The defending champ does not get his championship defense started right. Ben Rose, 17th. And Rajah Carew from that new number, new truck, new identity, right? Wrong. It might be a new identity in a bad way as he's 16th and gets involved in his second accident of the night. This one was terminal, with terminal damage. So we have 15 trucks remaining. Tyler Ankrum, Daniel Hemrick. It's going to be a shootout to the finish. Lap 12 of 15. Here we go. We're green. Can anyone stop the newbies? Ankrum immediately goes high, trying to cut off Hemrick. And instead, it's Gio Ruggiero back to the front. Gio to the middle. He blocks Ankrum. They're going to leave it 3 wide. 3 by 3. Hemrick, Ruggiero, and Mills. Here comes Gio. Gio to the front. Followed by Ankrum. They're both going to go high. Ankrum's not clear. Tony gets shuffled out, as well as Majeski. 3 to go. Ankrum to the middle. He's going to fight for second with Hemrick. 3 wide for fourth. Mills, Anderson, and Sutton. Tony and Majeski get shuffled out. The lead is Gio Ruggerio's. Caden Honeycutt gets shuffled out. 2 to go this time. Not looking good for that bottom line right now. And they all get shuffled out. Going to be a side-by-side battle here, it looks like. Ruggiero in the lead. And it looks like it's going to just be 2 lines. Ruggiero and Ankrum leading the way. And there goes Ty Majeski. Ty Majeski gets spun. Majeski goes around. No caution yet. Majeski in the inside wall. Hard hit. Hard hit for the 66. No caution just yet. We stay green. Jordan Anderson and Jake Garcia. They look like they're going to go for it. The 3 and the 13. Dive to the inside. Ruggiero in the lead. Followed by Hemrick. Followed by Sutton. 3 rookies. Here comes the 24 with a big shove. The 24 of Tyler Ankrum to the lead, and now the caution comes out. Caution out for the 66 of Ty Majeski. Tyler Ankrum leading, and Lane Riggs out of nowhere in the second place. Lane Riggs has never won a Truck Series race somehow, but he has a chance to do it tonight. Ruggiero in third. Andres Perez fourth. Daniel Hemrick fifth. Jordan Anderson, who's also never won a Truck Series race, despite not being a rookie, in sixth. Caden Honeycutt's up here. He's seventh. Dawson Sutton eighth. Jake Garcia ninth. Brandon Finger 10th. Chandler Smith 11th. Tony Bridinger 12th. Matt Mills 13th. Matt Crafton 14th. And Ty Majeski, another experienced Truck Series racer, is out. And he comes home in 15th. So, let's take a look at your storylines. That's not Gio Ruggiero. Tyler Ankrum took a year off of the Truck Series. He's back. He's looking to get another Truck Series win with his new team, McNally Hilgerman Racing. Lane Riggs in second season, looking for his first Truck Series win. Then the two rookies in their first ever starts, Gio Ruggiero and Andres Perez, trying to win, as well as another rookie, Daniel Hemrick. Jordan Anderson's been here for a long time. He still has never won a Truck Series race. He wants to do it tonight. Caden Honeycutt and Dawson Sutton also looking for their first win in their first ever start. Jake Garcia and Grant Enfinger, two returning faces. I'm not sure if Jake Garcia won last year. I don't think he did. So he's looking for his first career win, maybe. Chandler Smith and Tony Breininger definitely are in their first ever starts. And Matt Mills and Matt Crafton trying to get the new season off right. But it's going to be a hard time for them to win. Here we go. Ankrum, Riggs, we're green. Overtime here at Daytona. Good start for both. Gio's up there. Riggs to the outside. Ankrum in the lead. The 34 falls back. We head down the backstretch with Ankrum in the lead. Here comes Lane Riggs. Lane Riggs to the lead. Here comes Daniel Hemrick. And Tyler Ankrum's going to be shuffled out. Riggs is the leader. Here we go. Followed by Hemrick. Hemrick to the inside of Riggs. Both looking for their first ever wins. Riggs followed by Sutton and Tony Breininger. Last lap. This might be Lane Riggs' night, but we got a long way to go. Does Dawson Sutton have anything for the 34? Hemrick and Breininger left to fight it out, but this might be all Lane Riggs needs as we head down the backstretch. There's some momentum being made. Ankrum's trying to pull out and win this, but I think it's going to be Lane Riggs. The only two that went down were the Nice trucks. Here they come to the tri-oval. Lane Riggs, his first Truck Series win comes at Daytona. Unbelievable. Lane Riggs. About time you got yourself one, buddy. Was not up front the entire night until it mattered most. Lane Riggs, the winner at Daytona. Dawson Sutton in the 2 truck comes home second. And rounding out the podium is, I believe that's Tony. It is Jordan Anderson, oh so close in 4th. Hemrick rounds out your top 5. Enfinger 6th. Ruggiero 7th. Crafton 8th. Ankrum 9th. And Caden Honeycutt rounds out your top 10. Garcia 11th. Mills 12th. Perez 13th. Smith 14th. So we'll get the full field here rounded out accordingly. But the 34 of Lane Riggs will get to do a burnout. For the first time in his Truck Series career, he wins. That new truck for Front Row Motorsports is undefeated as Lane Riggs gets it done. Thank y'all for watching. See y'all later. RBL Beast. Congrats to Front Row Motorsports and Lane Riggs. Well, that's it from Daytona for the Truck Series. Lane Riggs is finally a Truck Series winner. How about that, man? Here's the rest of the field and then the 5 DNFs. But it's great to see Lane Riggs, after coming up oh so close during his rookie season, finally get a W. Thank y'all for watching. See y'all later. RBL Peace. That new truck is undefeated for Front Row Motorsports. Congrats to Front Row Motorsports and Lane Riggs. RBL. Peace.